So now we have ecosystem health. Ecosystem health focuses on, our manufacturing processes and their impact on the environment around them. This is another area that nCompass has done a lot for. We have one of the only zero waste to landfill manufacturing facilities in our industry. We've both in Superior, Essex, and LeGrand have committed plenty of time and resources towards reducing all of their manufacturing impacts through energy and water waste assessments. And we all regularly track and release our metrics online for our customers and stakeholders to take a look at. So high transparency and ambitious action.